So now let's discuss why it is so important for India to have such a certification. So I have to put it in different perspective. I believe you would be remembering the Mumbai attacks, and we would have read by newspapers the cameras of media was becoming an eye for the terrorist. So the somebody who was hiding on the top of the floor was actually being killed by the instruction given through the remote agency of the terrorist, which they have seen over the media cameras. So imagine we have millions and millions of eyes deployed across the country on our vital infrastructure. All this, if someone else can see, what can happen? So in an emergency situation like a war or anything that is a national security threat, so this eventually become an eye for the people or infiltrators. So we need to protect those kind of attacks. That is where the national security element comes in, and the STQC is becoming very, very relevant. So as I was mentioning, it is becoming a door lock. Your house is completely protected. The entry points are being protected using the best of breed technology, which is infused into the software. So in a simple terms, so you are thereby closing the door for anybody who is unauthorized. Unless otherwise you have the right authentication, you are not allowed to access the data. This is what we are trying to achieve. So that way it becomes an inevitable portion of the national security as we are going wider and wider. The moment you put CCTV, you feel like you are secure because you are able to see whatever is under threat, even in sitting in remote. That is where you are trying to gain control. But the same is with the people who wanted to attack you also. So that also become an information for them. So this is what we are trying to protect, and this is the first aspect of the STQC when we are looking at it.